Is your Acura RDX key fob not working? Most likely, the battery needs replacing. The Acura RDX key fob 2013-2015 uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Replacing it is a simple DIY task that can save you money. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and a new CR2032 battery, available at most auto parts stores for $1 to $5. This video will show you how to open the case and quickly fix a remote that's not working. In about 5 to 10 minutes, you can restore full functionality. First, insert the flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam at the base of the fob to separate the two halves. Be gentle to avoid cracking the case. If it's stuck, apply gentle heat with a hairdryer to soften the plastic adhesive. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together firmly. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle. If it still doesn't work, check for corrosion on the battery contacts and clean with isopropyl alcohol. Misalignment during reassembly can also cause issues, so ensure everything is properly aligned. If problems persist, consider aftermarket programmable fobs. Be sure to recycle the old battery to reduce environmental impact.